Hello, everyone. Let's learn how to configure online payment settings in Markate for seamless payment processing. First, log into your Markate account. Click Gear icon to open the settings. Click Online Payments to navigate to the Online Payment settings. Here we have multiple payment options such as WiseAttack, Square, PayPal, and so on. Simply toggle it on to enable the online payment feature. Click Setup to open the configuration options for online payments. Enter the details required and click Make Active to activate the chosen payment account. Click Save to apply all payment configuration changes. Click Invoices from left panel to access the invoice settings. Scroll and go to Accepted Payment Methods section. Click Credit Card to choose credit card payment methods. Click Save Changes to apply your payment settings. You have successfully configured online payment settings in Markate, including activating payment options and setting up credit card details. You can now process payments seamlessly and manage invoices effectively. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.